Hey, what's going on? Members, non members, subscribers, non subscribers, haters, and lovers alike. I just wanted to say from the bottom of my heart and with the most sincere tone possible, thank you for your time and for one hell of a year. This year has been, I don't know about you, but for me, one of the most insane years of my life. It's also been one of those years where I've worked harder than I ever have any other year. I've just been passionate about these markets and I've wanted to learn and figure out exactly what's going on here because one, not a lot of people know what's going on. Number two, the amount of information floating around the internet that is wrong around this subject matter is just absurd. And I discovered all these things too. At the beginning of this year, I was slapping the ask and Weeble, posting comments, going to the moon. I was the whole 9 yards. The difference is, did you figure out the reality of the situation? Did you figure out what's really going on, or did you continue to buy the hype, listen to the noise, and read all the headlines? That's the simple difference. Now, again, there was factors that contributed to people going one way or the other, like social media being the primary vehicle for disinformation, obviously. And yeah, I mean, it's been a crazy year. I don't think there's been another year like it. So thank you for your time, and I hope that you've been able to take away something from this channel this year as far as from a learning standpoint. I tried to keep the hype at a minimum. Was I guilty of hype? Of course I was. I'm not going to lie. I made videos where they were pretty tit jacking. Now, the point is, that wasn't my intention. My intention was to teach, was to give you reason to hold, to give you reason to be here. So while that may set me apart from the others, and while that may draw in lots of negative attention, I know it's the right thing to do. And just as in my prior job, integrity is one of the most key elements in my day-to-day life. Despite what you think, anyone that knows me knows this to be true. That's why I'm making this video. I just can't reiterate enough how crazy and amazing and just how blessed I am to be able to sit here at the end of this year with, although many of them are bots, a lot of genuine, like great people, just great people I've gotten to talk to. And there's never been a year like it. I don't script my videos. I sit down, I just start talking, and eventually people wanted to listen. So if you would have told me last year this is where I'd be right now, I would have told you you're retarded. But ironically, I've been telling you all that I'm retarded all year because I am. So again, whether you're a member or not, whether you've been following me all year or if you're new, the whole point of this channel is to teach without taking too much of your time. I tallied the numbers this year in total. My videos amount to 109 hours of video. And every single second of it was meant to increase your knowledge about these markets, because if you can get ahead of these markets as they're changing historically like we've never seen, you might be in a good spot for 2022. Now, does this mean I'm going anywhere? Does this mean this is a goodbye message? Hell no. This is just the end. Like, imagine, okay, this is Hogwarts. We just finished year 1. Next year's the Chamber of Secrets. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just going to take a vacation. I've been going all year long. I think there was just a few days I didn't make a video because there was a lot of shit happening. And I wanted to make sure that I kept up with real-time information as it came out. But as of January, I'm going to be taking a little bit of time off. I'll probably pop in every now and then, but I've got to get a lot of things done that I have been putting off this year. Sure, you understand. But again, the one thing to take away is that your time is the most valuable thing that you have in your life. And the more of that time you give to people who don't care about wasting it because it's all about them and their own personal agenda, you must be able to figure this out, because if you can save X amount of time in your lifetime from being taken from others, think of the possibilities. That's all I'm saying. And again, to everyone out there, Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and I will continue on in 2022 just as I have been this year. So let's go. Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy holidays.